If you're here, I assume that you want to open up to greater prosperity and financial flow, uplevel your career, awaken to your full potential, and calibrate to calm. If so, you may be wondering how you can use Feng Shui to create more abundance in your life. Incorporating Feng Shui is more than decorating and designing your space. It's actually a lifestyle, and it's a way to improve the manifestations in your life. And in fact, there are 4 key factors for aligning your home and energy intentionally with Feng Shui to create abundance. And all of these, along with an abundance mindset, can activate the law of attraction and bring the best to your life and your home. If you're excited to learn more, be sure to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you'll receive notifications for when I post new Feng Shui videos every single week. This is the place to learn how to align your home and your mindset to hold abundance, joy, and happiness with Feng Shui. If you want to take this a step further and you're ready to create a new paradigm for your life to elevate your prosperity, up-level your career, and prioritize your well-being with Feng Shui, you can click the link below to fill out an application to schedule a discovery call with me so that I can talk with you about your space and situation and how to make that happen. The link is below. So to create a full and abundant life, it really means that we need to look at you, your home, and the overall energy holistically. It's not just one thing. All of it works together, and there is so much power in taking a holistic look. To really explain how all this works, let's take a look at a visual of something that I've created, which I call the Feng Shui equation. It's your environment plus your intentions plus your personal chi, which is your energy, plus Feng Shui principles equals an enhanced quality of life. With this Feng Shui equation, we first begin with reviewing your home environment to see what is in and out of balance within your space. So remember that everything is energy, and your home reflects and affects your life. So it's like one big mirror. Within your home, we tap into this powerful energy stream that is essentially holding the flow of energy of your whole life in place. And your home is more powerful than you may realize. And in fact, I like to refer to your home environment as a palette for positive change. It's right there giving you clues of what to change to make your life more abundant, and it provides visuals and the physical place to align what is most important to you. As you tap into the energy of your home environment, it provides the space to add in more items that represent abundance and improve the feeling of love, joy, and happiness that you seek to create in your life. Honestly, by not engaging and leveraging the energy in your home is like missing such an important aspect of living abundantly. Next, we have your intentions, and this is where it gets fun because as you get super clear on what's most important to you and what you want to experience in your life, in your career, in your prosperity, health, relationships, and more, you become empowered to make conscious choices and changes in your life. I often refer to Feng Shui as a way to become a conscious creator because it truly helps you to live intentionally, which is by far the most powerful thing to start doing in your life to create a life of abundance and fulfillment. If you've ever felt like you were on the treadmill or hamster wheel of life with your career or life in general, this is a wonderful opportunity and maybe even your sign to pause and really decide what is most important to you. Because once you do this, your life will definitely become more abundant. It's instead of wondering why everything keeps happening to you, you get clear on your intentions and instead life flows to and for you. Your intentions make all the difference. Without them, you are just going through the motions of life, feeling at the disposal of life. Instead, learn to become intentional and live with purpose and meaning. Abundance happens when you are clear on your intentions and live every day taking one more step towards this goal. Then in the center of this equation, this Feng Shui equation, is your personal energy. How you feel, how you express yourself, the energy you exude in life, and what you are able to receive all starts and comes back to your personal energy. This includes your emotional, physical, and spiritual aspects of life. So everything from your meditation to exercise to communication and how you feel or how you want to feel. Getting in touch with this part of yourself is so grounding, and it leads to you living your best life. It's self-care and more. Do you place a priority on your well-being? Do the other parts of your life always come first and you often wonder actually where you fit into the equation? This is a surefire sign that you need to prioritize your own personal chi. And then to make this equation complete, we then add in Feng Shui principles, which includes the Bagua, which is the Feng Shui map, and the 5 elements. Together, these truly provide the roadmap to living abundantly. When we work with the Bagua, it outlines how each area of your life is showing up and provides the opportunity to see what is in or out of balance and how to make a change. The best part is that it's natural and holistic. You can find all 5 elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, water, right out your front door in nature. And if organizing your life, your goals, and even your home is a key factor for your happiness, learning how to work with the Bagua can seriously simplify your life, your environment, and provide wonderful clarity for how to arrange your space with meaning and purpose and live an enhanced quality of life. So let's take a look at the Bagua. We can see that this map outlines 9 key areas of life: career, knowledge, family, prosperity, external recognition, relationships, creativity, helpful people, and travel. And in the center, we honor our health. So it's literally like you decide what area of your life you want to change and enhance and amplify, and place specific intentions around these areas and watch your life take off. What's powerful is that you can also review these areas to see if something is blocked or out of alignment. Then we incorporate your personal items that always represent your personal style to activate and anchor these areas. And of course, we include the 5 elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, which naturally bring the space into balance on its own. I'd also like to mention that the Bagua and the 5 elements are great for creating balance and harmony in your home and your life, but they are also wonderful tools for designing and decorating your home. If you'd like to learn more about the Bagua, be sure to check out my recent video here. Okay, so all of this together, your home, your intentions, your personal energy, and Feng Shui principles really does equal an enhanced quality of life. And this enhanced quality of life happens because you've addressed all the key factors in what makes for an abundant life. If one or more of these is out of balance, then you may feel like life is lacking and crave more abundance. So this is really a system that ensures all the areas and aspects of your life are in balance. And when this happens, then you feel happy, aligned, and in the flow, and yes, abundant. If you've been feeling like your career is consuming your life and you seek time to de-stress, calibrate to calm, and tap into your own intuition, or perhaps you do seek to create greater prosperity and financial flow, these are the powerful natural tools to help you ditch the stress and fine-tune to abundance. It's a simple process that is fun and empowering and calming. And this is how I got started with Feng Shui. I worked in corporate for many years, and although I loved the work and the people, I felt drained. I needed to recalibrate. When I began working with this exact method, the Feng Shui equation that I just shared, my life, my health, my wealth, and all of it came more into balance. It wasn't overnight, but over time I could truly see a difference. I felt more at ease, I saw my career taking off in new ways, prosperity flowed into my life, and my relationships improved. These are the same principles that I've incorporated into my home and my life for over 20 years, and what I help my clients with in the Harmony Blueprint, with the goal of creating a very abundant lifestyle. And this enhanced quality of life happens because you've addressed all the key factors in what makes for an abundant life. And here's the fun thing. Every room in your home can help you to manifest abundance. For instance, the Feng Shui in your bedroom can definitely affect the flow of abundance in your life. A few key ways to create a feeling of abundance in your bedroom starts with looking at the artwork on the walls. Ensure that the images are pleasing and support a feeling of ease. If you have artwork that feels active or perhaps something that you are hanging onto out of obligation, that can deter from the energy of abundance. Also, the colors can affect how you feel. And then in terms of creating an abundant flow of energy to your home, we always begin by looking at the Feng Shui at your front door, as this is the place where the qi flows into your home. And the front door represents the mouth of the qi, so activating this and ensuring this area is free and clear of any blockages is a key place to begin to start inviting more abundance into your life. You can also arrange specific items in your home that signify abundance, such as special gifts, mementos, and colors that make your heart sing. Abundance truly is a way of life, and when you incorporate all the aspects of the Feng Shui equation into your life, you can ensure that your life feels full of love, joy, and amazing things and people and experiences, and of course a home that you love. Would you like to create a new paradigm for your life to go from feeling blocked and out of balance to thriving and living prosperously by aligning your home and your mindset with Feng Shui? If so, I'd like to invite you to click the link below to fill out an application to schedule a discovery call with me. Let's discuss the energy blocks in your home, and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together in the Harmony Blueprint program. The link is below in the description. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Feng Shui videos like this. If you have questions about your home, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And for now, I'll leave you with my next video that will help you create a prosperous life with Feng Shui. See you in the next video.